Today we're going to be looking at two different styles of Baofeng GMRS radio. GMRS radios do require a license. They're pretty convenient though because it's a family-wide license. So if you're looking for something a little more powerful than a standard Walmart walkie-talkie, this might be what you're looking for. We are going to flip back and forth between the 5X and the 5G, but we'll have it indicated right where that arrow was pointing. When you see these blue vertical bars, that indicates that we're looking for the harmonics, so we're looking at multiples of our base frequency. You may be able to see a sort of progress bar on the bottom. As you increase the span, that's going to change your scan rate. So now we're going to focus in just at our base frequency here and see what that signal looks like. Initially, I had the span of the scan too high for a sufficiently fast scan rate, so I went and lowered that. As you might be able to notice, there is a lot of sort of phenomenology that happens that are very transient right when you key, so we wanted to be able to try and capture as much of that as we could. It's also worth noting that the video is going at twice speed, so feel free to slow it down or watch it a couple times if needed. The first set of tests were directly connected through the attenuator. This second round here, we're going through these UHF antennas that just happened to be the first ones that I grabbed. One thing that you will note here is there were a lot of spurious signals on the harmonics when we connected them directly, but they're not really making it out and over the radio, it seems. So I asked everybody, is that sufficient? What do we see here? How do we feel about the spurious transmissions from these particular Baofeng radios? And also, let me know if I should test them with the proper antennas that they shipped with. We are going to test a few more low-cost analog handhelds. And until then, this has been A Little Loud Labs. Thanks for watching.